My name is Muhammad Nizamuddin. I am from BMMP program. First of all, I would like to thank my lecturer, Madam Azrina. Okay, what is FoodPanda? Right? FoodPanda is an online platform for food delivery. So the concept of the FoodPanda is vendor, customer and rider. So the customer will order the food to the vendor, and then vendor make the progression of the customer food, and then rider will take the food on the vendor and deliver to the customer. So that is the concept. Okay, how far the distance to FoodPanda deliver their food? FoodPanda is the dynamic system. Divide the area. For example, Melaka has their several areas such as Bandar Melaka, Jasin, Alor Gajah, Hantor Jaya. So if I work or take a shift in Bandar Melaka, I deliver the food in Bandar Melaka only. The purpose of the service is to make the customer more easy in terms of time, queue, and distance. We talk about time. Customer is so they don't have enough time. So don't worry. For I as a rider, I can deliver the food. You can just order it in the online platform. Okay. Second, queue. Customer, I understand. Customer do not like to have a long queue in the restaurant. So don't worry. You can just sit anywhere you like and wait the rider to come to you and deliver your food. Okay. In terms of distance, customer, for example, I am as a customer. I carry McDonald's. So in the late night, I very feel lazy to go out to buy it because the distance. So I can only order FoodPanda and waiting in the house for my food. The requirement to become a FoodPanda is very easy. You just need to have a license P, and they need to have a motorcycle. So that's all for me. So that's how it's work.